Hi guys, will this make washing machines a history? Is it the end of washing machines? Well, these are questions that comes to mind when you will hear about the invention of a device that is small, compact and a lot cheaper than a regular washing machine and cleans your clothes a lot more efficiently as well. I am talking about Dolphy, a new washing device that claims to turn a sink into a complete washing machine that can shake and remove dirt with ultrasound technology. The device looks like a soap, which make it an extremely small device in comparison with a washer or dryer machine that is a lot bigger in size. If it shapes up nicely in coming few years, this tiny device has the functional capacity to revolutionize the way people have been washing clothes. Dolphy's inventors claim that this little device has the ability to clean clothes just like any other washing machine in about 30 to 40 minutes with the help of ultrasonic technology it uses. The procedure of washing clothes with this device start with the filling the sink or tub with water. Then put your detergent powder, dirty cloths and the device in it, and rest will be handled by the device itself. During the washing process, the highly powerful sound waves generated by Dolphy run through the water in transducer travel that creates millions of tiny bubbles with extremely high pressure that blast and shake the dirt and stains from the cloth. Given the fact it is a small and compact device, it makes it a portable small washing machine that you can carry with you anywhere you go.
Hi, I'm
Dolphy is invented by German businesswoman Lena Solis.
Of ultrasonic engineering.
The reason she gave for this invention and how she started working on is that she had some really bad experience with laundry during her travels, and to solve her problem of washing clothes on the go, she developed this small device that she can carry with her all the time. In its current stage, the device price of production is $89. Its makers also claim that clothes get damaged by washing them in a washing machine. But Dolphy's ultrasound technology doesn't damage clothes because it has not impact of fabrics. It can be easily used to wash clothes made with different fabrics such as silk, cotton, cashmere, synthetic and lace. The other impressive part is its energy efficient characteristics, as the device needs 85% less energy than a standard washing machine. That's all about my today's video. Let me know your thoughts in the comments. And if you are watching my video for the first time, then make sure to follow or subscribe. I will see you guys again very soon. Till that, take care, bye bye and thanks a lot.